Alright guys, today I'm going in a little adventure. At the moment I'm in Manchester, but I will go to Wales. More exactly, in North Wales. I want to show you Betws y Coed, which is in the north of Snowdonia National Park. Join me guys, and I will see you in Wales. Alright guys, we arrive in the first village, what I told you. We are in Betws y Coed, and the plan is to walk around to show you how it looks like, and to tell you a little bit of about this place. It's a nice, beautiful place. So check this out. So Betws y Coed, it's located in the northwest of Wales. It's also called Gateway to Snowdonia. So if you heard about Snowdonia National Park, majority of the people who visit that park, they coming here. It's very easy to arrive here. You can come with a car. There are a lot of parkings around. There are buses also who coming from North Wales, and also they have a train station. So if you decide to take the train, you can come by train. So you can see here in front of me is a big parking where you can park. Also over there in the back, it's another parking. So there are quite a lot of parking space. So let me show you here around. There are shops, little shops. So this place, Betws y Coed, it's a village. It's not even a town. So the population here is between 500 and 600 people. It's very famous from tourists. So a lot of tourists are coming here. So let me show you the train station, and maybe we can see the connections with other towns. So you see you have from London, which is in North Wales. It's a big town. So this is the train station, Betws y Coed, you see? Old train station. There it's a tea room if you want to go for a little food, a little lunch. So let's go to explore to show you how it looks. It's not very big village. So here more cafe, bars. Let me know what you think. Have you been here before? So I remember I took a video here few years ago, and was raining in that day. I think it was in autumn, and I said to came today in a summer to make a proper video. So here there are a lot of local shops where you can come to help the local economy. Bars, restaurants here, you can stay to eat. It's not very busy today, maybe because of the weather. So the weather is not very sunny today. Actually, it was raining here. Check this out here. Over there it's quite busy, it's a pizzeria. So if you want a pizza, over there, you see. Let's see what is that. So here they call your order, because there are different numbers for each of the orders. Maybe later we will try a pizza here if it's not very busy. But we keep going because I want you guys to see how this place is looking. Check this out, fresh water. So we will go here in this way. Another cafe bistro over here if you want a little lunch, a breakfast, or a brunch or lunch, depends what you like guys. So here around there are a lot of trails. So if you like hiking, if you like walking, you'll find here a lot of trails where you can walk. So the village is located between the mountains and a forest, so it's like a valley. So here, close to the Betws y Coed, it's a river called River Conwy. So maybe you heard about the Conwy town, which is a very touristic town in North Wales. So that river is coming through here. And of course the biggest thing what you can visit here is the National Park Snowdonia, which is absolutely beautiful. So if you are here in Wales, come to Betws y Coed, and from here you can just go to National Park Snowdonia, or even drive through, or just go to walk. But it's very big one, so it's gonna take you days to walk. There are people actually who camping there, so yeah. So here we have a church. Let's see what's called this church. I don't know what's called. What is the name? So you see there are quite a lot of parkings, but they're looking very busy. So today is Saturday. Maybe that's one of the reasons. Check this out, this church here. How old do you think it is, this church? It's older than this tree. These three are looking very old, are they? So let's see what we can find here, and I will tell you if I find a sign what is the name of this church. There you go, guys. So you see the mountains over there in the background with the forest. Especially in the summer, this place is absolutely amazing. So here is a statue with Jesus. Check this out, this church. I don't know how old it is. If you know, guys, please let me know. So very important, if you are in Wales, they have their own language. So they have Welsh language, which is very hard to speak. And I don't know what is here. Maybe from here you go to the church. Who knows? So you see, it says in Wales and in English. So always here in Wales, you'll find first in a Welsh language, and you'll find second in an English language, because this is Wales and official language is Welsh language, but everybody speaking English. So if you go in some villages around here, not very touristy villages to say like that, you'll hear people speaking Welsh. So when I visit other parts of Wales, I heard people speaking in Welsh. So this is St. Mary's Church. Here we go, we have the confirmation over there. So let's keep walking. So you see over there, it's a football pitch. Maybe the local team. If it's a local team, I don't know. Let me know, guys. And here it looks like we have in front of us a local market. Let's see what is this. Mushroom.
Not bad.
So let's see. So different stuffs here. What people are selling. Cups. Should we have a food? Yeah, maybe we can come in back later to check a sausage roll. Here are hiking stuff, jackets, all the type of stuff what you need for hiking. So let's see here, traditional Welsh mead, gluten-free, you see. So mead is like a liqueur, but it's very sweet, and you can, if you like, you can mix it with something. If not, you can just do it by yourself. Okay, let's see what is here. Vodka. Local vodka. Local Welsh vodka. And here is a big restaurant on a Royal Oak Hotel. So if you want to come here to have a chill, having something to eat, having something to drink, this is the one. Here you go, how beautiful it is. To be honest with you guys, it's a very nice vibe today. It's not very, very busy to look like it's packed. It's just nice and chill, perfectly for walking. So maybe because it was raining today that people didn't really came here. But the parkings are looking quite full, to be honest. So I don't know what to say. I don't know what to believe. Let me show you this hotel from here. Check this out, how beautiful it is. So imagine that, guys, in a winter here. It's looking like you are in a wonderland. Here we go, very beautiful hotel. How much you think it's a room in this hotel? Let me know in a comment if you've been here before and if you stay in that hotel. So I tell you what, guys, if you like nature and if you like countryside, this is a beautiful village where you can come to relax, to forget about the stress and just to enjoy the nature. You can feel the fresh air from the forest. As you see, it's forest around everywhere. There's actually a valley here and the village is in a valley. Some businesses are closed. I don't know, they are closed for good or they are just closed today. Here, Edinburgh Woolen Mill, so some clothes. I thought first is a Chinese restaurant, Asian. I really recommend you guys to come here. Just for a walk, even if you don't go in a Snowdonia, which will be a shame because it's very close. It's actually, how I say in the beginning, is the getaway to Snowdonia National Park. Will be worth it to go. There you go, the river over there. So I come from there. And we keep going in this area to show you more. It's not very big, so the river is looking interesting. So more cafes. So there are a lot of local businesses. So if you come, guys, here, you can help local economy by buying a coffee, buying a croissant. These are the type of places where they just make the money in the summer, where is the tourist season. In rest, they don't make any money, so it's good to help them. So let's just check this bridge. This bridge is looking very interesting. Check this out. Some more parkings over there in the front. It's looking absolutely stunning. Let me show you here. I don't know what is that white in the water. Check the house over there. Let's see from this side. Like a waterfall over there. So let's keep going to see what else we can find. So here in the front of me, it's accommodation. You see the rooms for 85 per night. What do you think about that? Well, to be honest with you, in a season, 85 is nothing. This is a nice place. I reckon it's very busy. To be honest, it's good because it's not raining. It's just cloudy, but it's not raining. Let's see what else we can find here. Probably more coffee shops, that type of stuff. Let me show you the river from here. See the bridge over there. You see a lot of people here. So yeah, here on these hills, in this forest, there are a lot of hiking places where you can do hiking. A lot of trails, to say like that. To be honest, I don't think it's a point to going more, because literally over there everything is finished. So if you still keep going, it's a waterfall there, but I will not go to the waterfall. So what do you think about Betws y Coed, guys? Let me know in a comment if you've been here before or if you want to go. Check this out, that rock over there. So to be honest with you, it's give me that vibe like you are somewhere in Austria or Switzerland. It's that type of vibe here. It's not looking at all like somewhere in England. But if you will visit Wales, there will be a lot of places who's gonna give you the same vibe, like you are in a different country. than UK. So let's just go to find a shop to buy something to drink, some water or some soft drinks. To show you where is the information point in case you need some information. So you see the Royal Oak Hotel, it's over there, and literally opposite you just walk on this street or alley, what is called, and there in the front you can see the signs here. So here in the summer sometimes they have bands, they have a stage where bands are performing. What do you think about that football pitch? It's not very good, isn't it? Well, I don't know if they have a football team or it's just there for activities. And you see over there in the front Snowdonia National Park. Let's see what is here inside. I've never been here. I've been a few times in Mexico, but never been here in this courtyard. No, it's nothing. Just some shops. Nothing, something from dogs. I was saying here, dog shop. So if you come with your dog, you want to buy something for your dog, that's the place next to the information center. Okay guys, that's it from the